Hello, everybody. My name is Coach Shane, and welcome to Easy English Expressions. Come on, let's master English.
Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Daily Easy English Expression, the podcast. Number 1178. Ooh, today's expression is good. Yes. Have you ever known a person that wasn't really good? You know, the person was not nice. The person did bad things, or the person said bad things, or maybe the person was just lazy, never worked hard, never studied. And then, because of that, maybe something bad happened. For example, you know a guy at work and he always complains and he never works hard and he always leaves early. And then he gets fired. He loses his job. In this situation, we have a really good expression. I love this expression. I'm a nice guy. And if you're a bad person, I do my best to ignore you. I believe in karma. You know what I mean? Like, God will take care of it. I don't have to worry about it. And this is the expression to use. Let's say the guy's name was John. John had it coming to him. John had it coming to him. Let's check out the dialogue, and I'll explain. Susan got fired. Good. She had it coming to her. Why? I thought she was a great person. No way. She's always saying bad things about everyone, even you. Oh, Susan lost her job. Now, the woman thought Susan was a good person, and she didn't understand why she got fired, why Susan was lost her job. And the guy's like, she had it coming to her. She deserved it. I'm glad she was fired. Why? Because she was always saying bad things about people. Even you. She said bad things about you. You didn't know that? Oh my God. Susan was not a nice person. She had it coming to her. It getting fired. Whatever the bad news was, whatever the bad situation was. She had the bad stuff coming to her, meaning it was destiny. It was karma. That bad stuff was eventually going to come to her. You know, sometimes though, we know like there's some bad people and that bad stuff never seems to come to them, right? Like they're really bad, like a politician, really evil person, and they get rich and they retire and they die peacefully. And it's like, come on, God, what are you doing? That guy was not a good person. Well, hopefully after death, they went someplace not nice. She had it coming to her. Now, the question is, can we use it in a positive way? Yes, we could. If you work really hard and you get a promotion, well, you had it coming to you. We could use it in a positive situation. However, it's much more common in a negative situation. The bad news. The bad news finally came to that person. She had it coming to her. He had it coming to him. Got it? And we almost always use it in the past tense. It's a great expression. It's not really a nice expression, but it's a really useful expression. All right, that's E cubed 1178. Are you in my community? School.com/LME. Join our community. Live classes. We have so much for free. Of course, there are courses you can sign up for, but there's a lot of free stuff too. School.com/LME. That's SKOOL.com/LME. Check out the dialogue 2 more times, and together, let's master English. Susan got fired. Good. She had it coming to her. Why? I thought she was a great person. No way. She's always saying bad things about everyone, even you. Susan got fired. Good. She had it coming to her. Why? I thought she was a great person. No way. She's always saying bad things about everyone, even you.